How to use Gemini AI in Android phone. To do that, the process is very simple, quick and easy. Just follow these steps. I will show you guys in this video. Open up the Gemini app and you will see this kind of interface. Log in with the Google account that you want. You can click on here and you can simply go and select the Google account that you want to use for Gemini. For example, this one. And here you will see tons of features that you can use. The first one is the plus icon. You can use this one to simply drop files from your gallery, from your phone, from your Google Drive directly into the Gemini app. And the next one is the research feature that will deeply go and analyze your prompt. And this is mostly used for research purposes. And the next one is Canvas. Now, Canvas helps you create, edit, and share documents and code in real time. Gemini then will give you the prototypes, suggesting you edits and stuff like that. And the next one is this mic option that you can simply click on this and you can give voice prompts to Gemini like that. And the next one is the live feature. This is Gemini Live. You can talk live with Gemini. Let me just go and click on it. And now
Hi, I'm
here,
Gemini. We're about to go
just
live.
like that, you can go live with Gemini. And other than that, you can here swipe down and you will see the settings. And here you will find tons of settings for your Gemini. You can go and edit these according to your own preference. That's how you can go and use Gemini app. I hope you found this video helpful. I'll see you guys in the next video.